If you are someone who loves having cornflakes for breakfast, then I'm sure you are going to love our today's recipe. So in today's tutorial, we are going to make some super delicious cornflakes cookie that are just out of the world. When I started my baking journey, these cookies were one of my first bakes, and I have been baking them on repeat since then. Hey guys, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and run your own successful business. So before I begin the recipe, make sure that you're subscribed to our channel and have hit the bell icon so that you can stay updated with all our upcoming videos. In a bowl, we'll take butter, add both the sugars and cream until they are pale in color and fluffy in texture. As you can see, our butter and sugars are creamed properly. In this, we are going to add eggs and vanilla essence. Then combine them properly. We'll now sieve the dry ingredients. Starting with all-purpose flour, followed by baking powder and salt. We'll make balls from this dough weighing 40 grams each. We'll now flatten them out a bit and roll into cornflakes. We'll keep them in the freezer. Keeping cookie dough in the freezer before baking helps the cookie brown better, spread less, and develop a richer chewy texture. We'll keep them in the freezer for 15 minutes. Our cookies are out of the freezer. Now we'll bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes. Our cookies are baked properly and has completely cooled down. They are ready to be served. Hope you guys like this recipe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new recipe.